Okay, so hey guys, it's Ariel here, and today I'm gonna give you guys an update on this Luvme hair Kinky Straight Upart unit. And right now I'm just detangling it. I've had this hair for about 5 months now, but I've not worn it the whole 5 months. I've worn it on and off. So this is the hair after it's been in the box in my dorm room. So I'm just detangling the hair really good. I'm getting ready to co-wash it with this Shea moisture co-wash. I don't want to shampoo it because I don't want the shampoo to be too harsh on this hair, so I'm just gonna co-wash it and get all the oil and everything out of it, and just to help detangle it some more. So just co-washing, a little ASMR for you guys. So here I am with the hair after I let it air dry for a little bit, and I'm brushing through it. The hair is brushing through really easy. I'm not getting any tangles, minimal shedding, which is very surprising for this hair. And as you can see, the hair looks really good. It looks great. Like shampooing and co-washing it really brought some life back into this hair. So I'm just gonna blow dry it just to get it a little bit straighter and dry it a little bit faster. And as I'm blow drying, I'm not having a difficult time blow drying it, so that's a pro, definitely. So right here, I'm just showing y'all how I straighten the hair a little bit. I'm not doing a thorough straightening, and this flat iron is not, the best flat iron. So it's not gonna, get it bone straight, but I'm just straightening out a little bit. I like the blow dried look. I like my hair kind of big, so I didn't really want to press it out really good. But the hair is straightening very well. The only thing I can say about this hair negatively is that the ends kind of bend a little bit. I noticed like where my shoulder and the hair touches, the hair will kind of bend a little, and that's the only thing. So after a while, you might want to just curl this hair and wear this hair curly. So now I'm just putting a little bit of the Cream of Nature Argon Oil edge control on my hair, just on my natural hair, on my leave out, because remember, this is a U-part wig, so you will have to have leave out. And I didn't get a chance to get a picture of my final results doing this process, but I'll just go ahead and give y'all my review on this hair. And was it worth the money? Yes, definitely. I definitely think this was worth the money. I think I only paid $100 for this unit, which is very, very good. And the hair has held up. I still get tons of compliments. People still think it's my real hair. I mean, it's crazy how people just like, they assume this is all my hair, and that's because it blends so well with my natural hair. And I am natural. I'm not relaxed. I'm natural. So I'm just doing two little braids, a little braided style pinned up into the rest of my hair, because it's the summertime, it's hot, and my leave out will not act right. So I'm just braiding up the sides and putting it to the side. But yes, I definitely did enjoy this hair. I will still be wearing this hair occasionally. I'm not gonna throw it away or anything. It's not to the point where I have to throw it away. So this is my picture during my first install, and then I'll insert some clips of the hair curl, because I know some people ask with this hair curl, and yes. So this hair did wand curl. I only tried wand curls, and it wand curled pretty well. I had to put holding spray on it for it to hold, but it held up a wand curl. So yeah guys, this is my review. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see you on the next one.